Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to NEET World. This is your Abhilash Sir here, Mathematics faculty for JEE, EAP set, K set and also Foundation. So in the previous class, we started with definite integration. So let us continue with definite integration. But before that, I'd like to give you one very crucial information when it comes to our NEET World. So we are starting with JEE 2026 long-term program. Okay, JEE 2026 long-term program. The program is going to start. That is, the course is going to start from when? It is going to start from July 1st. As you can see, it is going to start from July 1st. Okay, 1st July 2026. That is 1st July 2025. Actually, it should be, there is a mistake here. It should be actually 1st July 2025. The program is going to start. Actually, the features, coming to the features, we have both live and online classes. Online classes through our MedWorld app. Live classes also, recorded classes also you can attend. When it comes to offline class, as you can see, our institute is in Narayanguda, Hyderabad. That is at the heart of the city, right? Now coming to other features, we have expert faculty for MPC. Although the institute name is NEET World, we are providing even JEE classes, and we have very good expert faculty, be it for mathematics, physics and chemistry, right? Then we also provide one-on-one mentorship because we have limited batch strength. We have multiple batches, but each batch has only 25 to 30 students, so that we can focus on each and every student. This is one of the most important feature, and hostel facilities also available for students who are not located in Hyderabad and wish to come offline. Okay, it is separate hostel for boys and girls. Okay, this is most important feature you have to understand. And one of the most important thing which you have to know is about the price. Okay, about the price, when it comes to monthly, when it comes to only JEE mains, it is 3333, that is nothing but 3,333 per month. Okay, that is per month. Next is including advance, including JEE mains and advance, it is coming up to 4,000 something, that is 4,200 you can take it. Okay, 4,200 or 4,000, precisely 4,166. Got it? So this is the price for what? Monthly. Okay, monthly price when it comes to JEE mains and also JEE advance included. Okay, this is about when it comes to JEE long-term program, and also we have regular programs also for 11th student or 10th passed out student or currently pursuing 12th standard. Those students we are having what? We are having regular program also. Next, coming to NEET World, like he told, the word itself says our trademark program, that is NEET long-term program is also there. That is also starting from July 1st, 2026. So by PC students who are wishing to take up a drop year, you can join this program and achieve your dream of becoming a doctor, right? Now, here also the fees is 3,333 per month. That is per month fees. Okay, so this is most affordable fees, and even for the regular students it is 3,333. But the program little varies when it comes to regular students, when it comes to batches and also the timings. Got it? And also well curated study material is being provided. Okay, when it comes to NEET, we are having 22 modules. That is 8 module of biology, 8 module of physics and also 6 modules of chemistry. When it comes to JEE mains, we have and advanced included, we have 24 modules, that is 8 modules of mathematics, physics and chemistry included. Clear? This is all the information I wanted to give. Most important information that you have to know is it is starting from 1st July and the price is only 3,333 per month, which is most affordable, taking into consideration the quality of the course we are providing. Clear? So let us continue with definite integration. So we had to solve this question. So we had to find the value of b. If 12 times integral of 3 to b 1 by x square minus 1 x square minus 4 dx is equal to log of 49 by 10 to the base of e. So this is the question we have to solve now. Now what is given here? 3 to b. So that is what is given. So how to solve this question? Here we are having 1 by x square minus 1 into x square minus 4. So I told you the priority of the chapters or the order of the chapters which we study is very much important. That's why we started with limits, then we studied trigonometry, then we came back to continuity and differentiability, and then we studied with chapters, straight lines and also sequence and series. Now I am going to use the concept of sequence and series here so that this simplifies the question. Okay, so if I write this 1 instead of 1, I can write it as what? So 12 is outside, I can write this as what, friends? I can write this as x square minus 1. Okay, numerator 1 can be written as x square minus 1 minus x square minus 4. Okay, divided by what I have? X square minus 1 into x square minus 4. Now you may ask me, although x square and x square get cancelled, you are having minus 1, minus into minus is plus 4, you will get 3. Okay, you are getting 3, actually numerator should be 1. So what I will do, this 3 to cancel out, I will divide by 3 here. So this cancels out and you get what? 1 is the numerator. Got it? So this will be dx Now what I should do? Further simplification gives me 4 times integral of x square minus 1 minus x square minus 4. If I separate and divide it, what I will get? Same thing, same procedures we have followed even in sequence and series. That same procedure I will follow here. So this becomes what, friends? Okay, this becomes x square minus 1 will cancel. I will get 1 by x square minus 4. 4 can be written as what? 1 by x square minus 2 square minus this x square minus 4, x square minus 4 cancel if I separate and divide it. So this becomes what, friends? This becomes 1 by x square minus 1. That is 1 can be written as 1 square. So this is entire thing I will put it as dx. Okay, entire thing I will put it as dx. What is the limit? 3 to b. Okay, this is equal to what they are told? This is equal to log of 49 by 10 to the base e. To the base e. Now on further simplification, what I should do? These of which form? 1 by x square minus a square dx. Okay, 1 by x square minus a square dx. What is the formula that we have? That is 1 by 2 times log of x minus a divided by x plus a. Okay, so this becomes what? 4 times into 1 by 2 times a. 1 by 2 times a is what? 1 by 2 times a is 1 by 2 into 2 into log of x minus 2 by x plus 2. Okay, x minus 2 into x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 times a, that is 1 by 2 into 1 into log of what is it? X minus 1 by x plus 1. X plus 1. Okay, the limit is what? 3 to b. The limit is what? 3 to b. That is equal to what, friends? That is equal to log of 49 by 10. Log of 49 by 10, this is what I have. Okay, log of 49 by 10, this is what I have. Now on further simplification, if I take these two outside, 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 is there. If I take these two outside, or if I send this 2 up, what it will become? If I send this 2 up, what it will become? Or if I multiply by 4 throughout, this will become what? If I multiply by 4 throughout, this will become what? If I multiply by 4 throughout, this will become log of x minus 2 by x plus 2 into this is what? Minus 2 times log of this it will become 2 times log of x minus 1 by x plus 1. So 2 times log of x minus 1 by x plus 1, I can write it as what? I can write it as log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Got it? X minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this will be limit is what? 3 to b. That is equal to what? Log of 49 by 10. This is what I have. Log of 49 by 10. This is what I have. And further simplification, what I will get? Just I have to put the limits. That is what? But before that, let us use the property of logarithm. That is log a minus log b is nothing but what? Log a minus log b is nothing but equal to what? Log a minus log b is nothing but equal to log of a by b. So this becomes what? Log of x minus 2 by x plus 2 into numerator will become what? Into numerator will become x plus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, this will become whole square. This will become whole square. Now, if I put the limits, this is 3 to b, I have to put the limits. So this will become what, friends? This will become x minus 2 into x plus 2, x plus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, I have to put the limits. This will become log of b minus 2 by b plus 2 into b plus 1 by b minus 1 whole square minus lower limit is what? Lower limit is 3. So this becomes log of 3 minus 2 is log 1 by log 5 into log 4 by log 2 whole square. This is equal to log of 49 by 10. Okay, log of 49 by 10. Actually, this should not be log, it should be multiplication here. This should be, just a minute, this will become what? This will be into what it is. This is perfectly alright, just a minute. This is lower limit, so this will become minus, that is fine. Now on simplifying this, again on simplifying this, okay, I will get the value of b as equal to 6. This simplification, further simplification you can do, because such simplification you should be able to do, because your JEE Main students, I expect you to do such basic calculations. Clear? Let us move to the next question. What was the option that was given here? Okay, actually there is no option, because this is a numerical value based question. The answer to this question is actually it is 6. We will get it. The value of b is what? The value of b is 6. Alright. Now evaluation of definite integrals by method of indefinite substitution, that is integration by substitution. One of the ways of integration is by the method of substitution. Okay, by the method of substitution we have done indefinite integrals. Same thing we will try to do for definite integrals. That is what kind of substitution we have to do. Let us have a look at it. So what is the question that they have given? Integral of what is this? e to the power of minus 1 running to e to the power of 2 log of x by x dx is what? So here what is the substitution we have to do? We have to put t is equal to log x. What we have to do? We have to put t is equal to log x. Okay. Saver Singh, hello, can you please repeat? Okay. Okay, let me repeat. Just listen. So in the previous question, what I did was 12 times 3 to be 1 by x square minus 1 by x square minus 4 is given. Here what I did was 12 I took it outside, 3 to b is given, but here I have 1. Okay, in the numerator I have 1. So instead of directly taking it like this, instead of doing partial fraction, what I use is by concept of sequence and series. As per sequence and series concept, this one can be written as x square minus 1 minus x square minus 4. Definitely here you are not getting 1, you are getting it as plus 3 on cancellation. That to eliminate 3, I have to get it as 1. So I divided by 3 here. So this 3 cancel, I will get it as 1 itself. Now I separated and divided, I got it in the form of 1 by x square minus a square. Okay, integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx, this is nothing but equal to 1 by 2 times a log of x minus a by x plus a. Okay, then I applied the limits, then I got the value as like this, and further simplification you will get the value of b as equal to 3. Is it clear? Okay, I think it is clear to you, Saver Singh? Okay, clear. Let us move to the next question. That is by method of indefinite substitution. See here, t we have to take it as log x. So dt becomes what? Dt becomes 1 by x log x, 1 by x dx. Okay, so 1 by x dx is nothing but dt. So directly we cannot substitute here because we have taken t is equal to log x. Okay, but you have to change the limits also. Once you take substitution, you have to change the limits also. This becomes what? T is equal to log of e to the power of minus 1. That becomes what? Log e to the base e is nothing but 1. So t will become minus 1 itself. What about log of e square? 2 times log e to the base e. That is nothing but equal to 2 itself. So the limit changes from minus 1 to plus 2. Log x is we took it as t dt. Okay, we took it as t dt. This is what we get. Now on integrating, what we get? T square by 2. Okay, and limits are minus 1 to plus 2, minus 1 to plus 2, that is the limit, minus 1 to plus 2, that is the limit, friends. Now if I apply the limits, what will this be? This will be 1 by 2 will be outside, 2 square is 4, okay, 4 square minus 1 square, so that will be what? 2, 4 square minus 1 square is nothing but 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, so that is nothing but equal to 3 by 2. Okay, the answer to this question is 3 by 2, friends. Okay, that is the first option is the right answer to this question. Just we have to substitute t is equal to log x, that we have already done. Such kind of substitution we have already done, but most important thing is while you take substitution, when we take t is equal to log x, x value, the limit is what? E to the power of minus 1 to e to the power of 2. But here we are taking t, then definitely the value of the limit also changes, that is it is changing from e to the power of minus 1 to e to the power of 2 to it is changing to minus 1 to 2. Clear? I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question, friends. Okay, all right. Look at this. Have a look at this question. This question is JEE Main 2017 question. All right. So they have given integral of 1 to 2 dx x square minus 2x plus 4 to the power of 3 by 2. Definitely looking at the question, this thing have to strike to your mind that this can be solved using completing the square method. Which method? That is completing the square method. So if you have to use completing the square method, what I have to do here? X square minus 2x plus 4. So 2x is there. So coefficient of x is 2. So what I have to do? I have to divide coefficient of x by 2 and I have to square it and add it and subtract it. I have to square the coefficient of x by 2. Then what I have to do? I have to add it and subtract it. So this gives me what? Denominator becomes x minus 1 whole square plus 3. Okay, denominator becomes x minus 1 whole square plus 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Whole to the power of what is it? 3 by 2. Okay, I am having what? Limit 1 to 2 dx. Now here I cannot apply directly any formula here. So how to do it? I will give you 10 seconds, just pause and think about it. How to do it? Directly there is no method to solve this question. Okay, so how to do it? Just pause for a second and think about it. So if you have a look at it, this is of the form, which form? See here, 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by x square plus a square, when it comes, I told you the substitution is what? We have to take x is equal to a tan theta. We have to take x is equal to a tan theta. So here we have to take x is equal to a tan theta. Here instead of x we are taking x minus 1 is equal to a tan theta. Here a is nothing but what? Here a is nothing but root 3. Instead of 3 we have to take it as what? This 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. This 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. So I will take x minus 1 is equal to what? Root 3 tan theta. So dx becomes what? Dx will be equal to root 3 secant square theta d theta. That's it. Now I have to apply the limits. What happens? Now x minus 1 is root 3 tan theta. When x is equal to 1, what happens? When x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this becomes what? Theta becomes what? Theta becomes, this implies when x is equal to 1, this implies theta will be equal to 0. What about when x is equal to 2? When x is equal to 2, what happens? When x is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 by root 3 is equal to tan theta. That means theta is equal to what? That implies theta is equal to pi by 6. So the limit changes to, I am writing it here, the limit changes to 0 to pi by 6. Earlier it was 1 to 2, now we have taken it as tan theta. So it becomes what? 0 to pi by 6. Got it? It changes to 0 to pi by 6. 0 to pi by 6. Instead of dx, what I should write? I should write it as what? Root 3 secant square theta d theta. Divided by, what is the denominator that I have? X minus 1 whole square, that can be written as what? Root 3 tan theta whole square. Okay. So root 3 tan theta whole square, that can be written as root 3 tan theta whole square plus what it is? It is nothing but root 3 square. This whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay. Now here I have root 3 tan theta whole square, here also I have root 3 square. So root 3 square I can take it as common. So this if I take it common, what I will get? Pi by 6, that is 0 to pi by 6. Okay. Root 3 if I take it outside, this will become, root 3 square will become just 3. Okay. Denominator will become just 3 into, numerator will remain as it is. Numerator will remain as it is, that is root 3 secant square theta into d theta. This will become what? 3 times into 1 plus tan square theta. 3 times into 1 plus tan square theta to the power of 3 by 2. Okay. 1 plus tan square theta is what? Secant square theta. So pi by 6, that is the limit, 0 to pi by 6, root 3 secant square theta d theta by 3 into 1 plus tan square theta, that is 3 to the power of 3 by 2 into 1 plus tan square theta is what? That is nothing but, see here, observe carefully, this will be 3 to the power of 3 by 2. 1 plus tan square theta is what? Secant square theta. Secant square theta, here 2 is there, 2 cancels, I will get it as what? Secant cube theta. Now here I have secant square theta, here it is secant cube theta, I can cancel, I will be left with what? I will be left with only 1 by 3. So this becomes what? 1 by 3 times integral of what it is? 0 to pi by 6 cos theta d theta. Okay. This is equal to what? They are telling this is equal to k plus k by k plus 5. We have to find the value of k. Okay, we have to find the value of k. Now integral of cos theta is nothing but what? Integral of cos is nothing but sine. So this becomes what? 1 by 3 times sine theta. 1 by 3 times, this is what? 1 by 3 times sine theta. Limit is what? 0 to pi by 6, that is equal to k by k plus 5. Okay. So sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, sine 0 is 0, that is equal to k by k plus 5. So if I cross multiply, what I will get here? This will be, I will get it as what? K plus 5 is equal to 3 into 2 is 6, 6k. Okay, 6k minus k is nothing but 5k is equal to 5. So k will be equal to what, friends? K will be equal to 1. So the value of k will be equal to 1. We have to take the positive value of k. The value of k will be equal to 1. That is nothing but which option? That is option D. This is how you can solve this question. This is JEE Main 2017 question. Okay, just by substitution you are able to solve this question. And the most important step, okay, I can write this as my star step. See here, this is my star step, that is x is equal to a tan theta. Here I will take x minus 1 is equal to root 3 tan theta, which I have put it in red box. That is my star step. Okay, using that you can solve the question very easily, friends. Clear? Is it clear? All right. Let us move to the next one. Now they are talking about properties of definite integrals. They are talking about properties of definite integrals. So based on the properties of definite integrals, there are lot of questions which can come. Okay, these are the properties which you have already studied for your board exams. Okay, which you have already studied for your board exams. But before that, let us have a look at some question. But before this, there is one more question which we have to solve. Let me take up that question. There is one more JEE main question. Let us take up that question. Just a second, excuse me. So the question goes like this. The question is, if 2 times integral of 0 to 1, okay, tan inverse of x dx is equal to 0 to 1 cot inverse of 1 minus x plus x square dx, then they are asking us to find that 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x plus x square, okay, is equal to what? Okay, options are A, B, C, D. The options that are given are pi by 2 plus log 2, okay, log 2, and another option is pi by 2 minus log 4, and another option is log 4. Okay, this is the question that they have given. All right. So this is JEE Main 2016 question. This is JEE Main 2016 question. I have taken this question because it is very important. Such type of question have been asked even in 2023 exam. Such type of question has been asked even in 2023 exam. That's why it's important to solve this question. So see here, have a look at this question. So if you have a look at this question, see here. So 2 times 0 to tan inverse of x, it is nothing, it is equal to cot inverse of something. So first one property you know, when we learnt about inverse trigonometry, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to what? Pi by 2. So here this cot inverse of x, this cot inverse of what it is? This cot inverse of x minus something. What cot inverse of what it is? Cot inverse of 1 minus x plus x square is nothing but equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of something. So this can be written as what? This 0 to 1 tan inverse of x dx can be written as what? Pi by 2 integral of pi by 2 minus what I can write it? Pi by 2 minus 0 to 1 pi by 2 minus tan inverse of what it is? 1 minus x plus x square dx. Cot inverse of x can be written as what? What I am using the property, that is tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x is equal to what, friends? It is equal to pi by 2. So cot inverse of x can be written as what? Cot inverse of x can be written as pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x. So instead of using cot inverse of x, I am using pi by 2 minus tan inverse of x. Instead of x, what they have given here? 1 minus x plus x square dx. So this becomes what? This is what we get it. But what they are asking? They are asking us to find 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x by x square. So let me apply integral to here also. This will become dx. So let me name this as I. Okay, let me name this as I. Okay, this is I. I have to find I. Okay, I have to find I. So I becomes what? I becomes equal to pi by 2. Here I need not apply limit. This will become pi by 2 minus. Okay, here I don't have to apply limit. This will become pi by 2 minus. This will become pi by 2 minus. Okay, pi by 2 minus integral of 0 to 1 tan inverse of x dx. Integral of 0 to 1 tan inverse of x dx. Now, most important thing is we have to integrate this tan inverse of x dx. What is the method that we will use? Do we have any formula directly to find tan inverse of x? Definitely we don't have. So what we can use? Integration by parts. So here I have to know the first function. First function is tan inverse of x. What about the second function? Second function I think is there, means what is the convention that we will use? We will use 1 as the second function. So if I integrate this by parts, let me integrate this first. So this becomes what? Tan inverse of x. This is 1. This is second function. This is the first function. This is second function. So this will become what? Tan inverse of x. Integral of 1 is what? X minus derivative of tan inverse of x is nothing but integral of, this will be 1 by 1 plus x square. So integral of 1 is nothing but x. This is dx. Now what I can do? Here x is there, here x square is there. So I have to multiply by 2. Here I will divide by 2. Okay, dx. Now tan inverse of x minus 1 by 2 2 times tan inverse of x, 2x by 1 plus x square is nothing but 1 by 2 log of 1 by 1 plus x square, log of 1 plus x square, okay, log of 1 plus x square, that is nothing but we are using substitution, that is put t is equal to x square, instead of putting t directly I am writing it. So this becomes what? 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square, okay, log of 1 plus x square, pi by 2 minus, for this one, this entire thing we are applying the limit, that is 0 to 1, we are applying the limit, that is 0 to 1. Now if I apply the limit, what I will get? Pi by 2 minus, see here friends, if I apply the limit, what I am getting? Pi by 2 minus tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 1 is what? Pi by 4, pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 excuse me, 1 by 1 plus x square, that 1 plus x square, that is nothing but 1 plus 1, that is nothing but equal to what? Log 2, I will write it as log 2. This is when it comes to upper limit. Let us see for lower limit, tan inverse of 0 is 0 itself, minus into minus is plus 1 by 2 into log 1, 0 becomes, it is log 1, it will become log 1. So this is nothing but actually equal to 0. So I will have only one thing, that is pi by 2 minus pi by 4, okay, minus pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 into log 2, 1 by 2 into log 2. Now pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is what? That is nothing but equal to pi by 4 itself, pi by 4 plus log 2, that is 1 by 2 into log 2, 1 by 2 into log 2. Now pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 into log 2 is what? So 1 by 2 is there, if I send it up, what is the option? Let us see the closest option, that is log 4 is there, pi by 2 into log 2, pi by 2 into log 2, it is not there. So this becomes what friends? It is actually equal to pi by 2 minus log 4, no, that is log 4, no, let us have a look at it. Now somewhere we have done a mistake, let us see, pi by 2 is here, so pi by 2 into x is nothing but equal to pi by 2 into x is pi by 2 into 1, pi by 2 into 0 is, okay, that is pi by 2 will be as it is, pi by 2 minus pi by 4, okay, this is minus half, this will become plus half. So what we have to do here is pi by 4 plus half. So on simplifying this, actually on simplifying this, we will get it as what? We will get it as, actually we will get it as equal to what? Pi by 4, pi by 2, this we will get it as actually equal to log 2. Okay, and further simplification is something, it will cancel, pi by 2, this will become log 2. Clear? This will become, we will get it as log 2. So that is answer to this question is what? The answer to this question is actually, it is nothing but equal to log 2. Clear? That is option B. Further simplification which you can do, okay, till here you have to understand, most important. Clear friends? I hope it is clear. Here most important thing is you have to understand this, okay. Here they are asking what? They are asking us to find 0 to 1 tan inverse of 1 minus x plus x square, okay. Here most important step is what? For me the most important step is writing this one, that is writing tan inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus tan inverse of this, okay. Writing this step is the most important step for me. Clear? Then you can easily solve this question, because this will be I, the I value is equal to what? Pi by 2 minus this thing, then you can find it as log 2. Got it? This how you can solve this question friends. This is how you can solve this question, okay. I hope it is clear, okay. I hope it is clear. Please follow the sessions every day so that you can improve your content or also the knowledge, and also most importantly application of knowledge, okay. Knowledge you would have while studying for your boards itself. When it comes to JEE Mains or EAP set, you have to learn the application of knowledge, okay. I will wind up now. When it comes to JEE 100 days challenge, this session will be over now. I will meet in the next class, okay. But today's session, that is at 6 p.m, please do join for, okay, practice question classes, okay, where we are solving 1000 practice question, and we have started with TG EAP set 2025 paper, okay. I will wind up now. Thank you friends, and most importantly remember about the updates which I gave you when it comes to JEE Mains 2026-2025 long term program, that is starting from 1st July 2025, that is for 2026 exam, okay. Same thing goes for NEET, it is starting from 1st July, and it is for NEET long term program is for 2026 exam, and it is starting from 1st July 2025. Is it clear friends? I will wind up now. Thank you.